We love the pullouts here. It's great for cooking and baking. So I've got these handy pullouts for oils, and my utensils, I love having them here and not cluttering up my countertops like they used to be.
And it's kind of nice to be able to have the appliances underneath, tucked underneath. We've got a couple drawers like that, and so it's nice just to be able to get it off the countertop and have it in one spot that's easy to get to and easy to access.
The butler's pantry, I love this. It's one of my favorite things just because it's light, and we've got the window here. We have a pull-out here also that just hides away, so our corner space is used and isn't wasted space, which a lot of times it is.
The sliding door in the pantry, which we ended up putting leaves on because she's the tree lady, so. And it's nice to have that because things can go in there when company comes and the door can be shut and just kind of out of sight, out of mind.
This is my baking drawer, which these are the largest drawers ever, and these are one of my favorite things because I love just having all my baking things in one spot, handy, easy to use, easy to pull out, and just big, nice, organized drawers, which makes it so much easier for cooking.
But one of the things that we asked for was easy access to be able to get behind the washer and dryer. So they put a removable panel inside here and then another door on the back side just to be able to get in there and access it if we need to shut off the gas or water. That worked out really well.
We added a window here and a window here, and now it brings the atrium and brings nature in, which we enjoy. We also changed this window. It used to be a garden window. It wasn't nearly that big, and now it just opens up into the backyard.
The under cabinet lighting, they did them in a really cool way. They're integrated into a panel on the bottom, so it's flush with the panel. So as far as cleaning it, it makes it very easy. And then they're LED lights, and so they should last for 30, 40 years, which is really nice.